Well, you might want to use the fact that SPP and gCADPlus talk to one another and generate a PDF file showing images and details of species that you've used in your design. So if we go to an example, here's a plant schedule, I can write that information out by simply going gCADPlus and extract plant schedule. I can give it a name, I'll call it test 3. It's just a CSV file, a comma separated file. What I'll then do is jump back into SppDb. I'll say file and import that CSV. Select the one that we've just written and we'll clear all the tags that happen to be in there. And nothing appears to have happened, although you may have seen the screen flash. And one of the species used in the design is the burning bush. So if we say find that record, notice there's a mark around it, it's been tagged. And so to generate the PDF file, it's just a matter of going file and print all tagged entries. And I don't want the image URL, but I do want to select my printer. I'll pick Qt PDF. I'll change my properties from portrait to landscape, and I'll say OK. I could change my resolution if I wanted really high resolution images, but the file's now being generated. It's a composite PDF of all of the species that have been used in the design, the image itself, and the detailed description of it. So the file's been generated, it's called plant record, so I can click save, then I can go to the desktop, double click it, and we should be able to open up that plant record. And here it is, Control plus to zoom in a little. There's the first entry, and as we scroll down we go to the next page, there's the next entry, and so on. So all the information that's contained in the plant schedule can be used to generate a PDF file.